Give the investors an update on the derivatives trading service, how it's going?
Yeah, sure, Rob. As you guys know, we sent an email out to all the investors about 4 or 5 days ago. We put a pause on what we're doing with the Bitcoin trading services with Hedge Capital because we want to replace and revamp the trading team with a team that we can rely on more so to deliver the results we need for our clients. We felt that it was important to put a pause on all new investor money and also any more top-ups. So as you know, Rob, in any business startup wise, you want to ensure that everything is refined and all the bugs are smoothed out, and that's our goal there, to protect our client investment money. We feel that it's more appropriate to actually have a trading team in-house, internally in our office here in Brisbane, in Australia. And we want to ensure that any losses that have occurred in the last week and a half will be recovered and reimbursed for investors, to be relaunched in about 4 to 6 weeks' time. So it's very important to show our clients and investors that we're here to protect their interests first, primarily, yeah.
Okay, great. And the future long term, what do you see there?
Look, we want to have a diversified product available to investors. So when we look at giving clients back 1.5-ish times their money back in a few weeks' time, we want to give them the option to actually choose to remain as is, or roll in partially or all of it to a more of an altcoin product service, which is more in line to more of a buy and hold strategy. It doesn't mean to say that the leveraged product investment service we're offering is flawed in any way. It's just that maybe we launched it maybe 2-3 weeks too early, given the market conditions. So we saw Bitcoin drop from 9,000.
Yeah, well, it got up nearly to 10 or 11,000. We thought that maybe the recovery.
Three weeks
yeah,
ago.
Yep.
So almost 9-ish to as low as
6,400.
So that's almost a 30% drop in the last 3 weeks. And guys, that's pretty tough market conditions. Yeah. So
in an unpredictable way too.
Yeah.
Unfortunately.
Yeah. Look. A lot of theory has been going around. There's been a lot of market manipulation, and look, it's subject to interpretation, but I believe it is the case. But that's no excuse. We felt put it on pause. Let's figure out how we can relaunch it for our clients' best interests and ensure that we have a long-term product for you guys as investors. In terms of our vision, our goal originally, it was to create a passive income for you guys. We may do some tweaks to the product itself. So what once was gold category for all investors, getting paid weekly, we might have to revise it down to slightly lower amounts to 2.5 to 3% yields per day as an average. Maybe paid fortnightly or monthly instead. So we're still playing around with all those ideas, Rob. So there's no right or wrong answer. It's just a matter of figuring out what is suitable for everyone and us as a business. So that's very important. So that's why we want to have a good 3 to 4 week time frame to reassess how we create or relaunch, something suitable for you guys out there, and ensure that you guys are all happy. So I think given the market conditions of dropping down 20-30% in the last few weeks, us giving back surety of approximately 1.5 times the dollar, that gives them confidence that we're here to look after all investors. Don't you think?
Yeah, no, that's a great initiative. I think the investors would have to be pretty happy with that.
There's a lot of investors out there would have lost a lot of money the last 3 months.
Yep.
It went from 20,000 down to 6. Yeah.
And most of the alternative coins have dropped anywhere between 70 to 90%, if not higher.
Cool. Thank you guys. Awesome.